The clinical applications of positive psychology expand the traditional focus of mental health treatment from merely alleviating symptoms to actively enhancing an individual's well-being. One of the most significant applications is positive psychotherapy, PPT, which integrates principles of positive psychology into therapeutic practices. This approach has shown promising results in treating a range of psychological issues by fostering positive emotions, strengths, and behaviors. Developed by Martin Seligman and colleagues, positive psychotherapy, PPT, is a therapeutic approach that focuses on building what's strong, not just fixing what's wrong. It aims to increase well-being by fostering positive emotions, engagement, relationships, meaning, and accomplishments, elements of Seligman's PERMA model. Key components of PPT include identifying and using strengths. PPT involves helping clients identify their personal strengths and virtues, which are then used as a foundation for therapy. Clients are encouraged to use these strengths in new and creative ways to enhance their resilience and coping strategies. Building positive emotions. Through various exercises, such as gratitude journals or mindfulness practices, PPT helps clients increase the frequency and intensity of positive emotions. This shift can help counterbalance the often overwhelming impact of negative emotions associated with mental illnesses. Developing positive relationships. PPT emphasizes the importance of supportive relationships as critical to well-being. Therapy may focus on improving clients' skills in communication, empathy, and intimacy, which can help strengthen their social networks. Creating meaning. Therapists help clients explore what provides them with a sense of purpose and meaning in life. This might involve aligning their daily activities with their deeper values or engaging in acts of service. Setting and achieving goals. Goal setting is a vital part of PPT, encouraging clients to articulate their aspirations and devise practical strategies to achieve them. This process not only fosters a sense of accomplishment, but also enhances self-efficacy. Clinical applications include treating depression. PPT has been effectively used to treat depression by shifting some focus from traditional methods of cognitive restructuring of negative thoughts to also incorporating strategies that enhance positivity, resilience, and well-being. Anxiety disorders. For clients with anxiety, PPT helps build a toolkit of psychological strengths that can serve as resources to manage anxiety symptoms. For example, strengths like bravery can be used to face feared situations, and mindfulness can help regulate anxious thoughts. Chronic illness and pain management. In cases of chronic illness, PPT assists clients in focusing on their capabilities rather than limitations, cultivating a more positive outlook that can affect their overall quality of life and pain management. Recovery from substance abuse. Positive psychotherapy can support recovery by helping individuals rebuild their sense of identity, develop healthy relationships, and foster a positive vision for their future. Studies on positive psychotherapy show that it can lead to significant improvements in well-being and reductions in depression compared to more traditional therapies alone. For instance, a study by Seligman and colleagues found that participants who received PPT reported higher levels of happiness and lower levels of depression for up to a year after the intervention. Overall, positive psychotherapy represents a shift in the mental health field, emphasizing capacity building and flourishing as much as healing. By integrating the science of positive psychology into clinical practice, therapists are not only able to treat mental illness more effectively, but also promote the overall well-being and life satisfaction of their clients. This dual focus can lead to more sustainable mental health outcomes and a higher quality of life for individuals undergoing therapy.
If you're finding this lesson valuable, you can take your expertise to the next level. Join over 27,000 students at the Institute of Professional Psychology and earn your professional certification in this field. Scan the QR code on your screen or click the link in the description to access the full curriculum, workbooks, and your accredited credential. Let's get back to the lesson.